XRP, holy crap. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Glad to have you guys here today. Had to take off the glasses, getting the glare from the screen, but XRP, holy crap. XRP Army, are you freaking with me? Couple of huge things, by the way, coming through besides the charts. Now, we're all aware, well, at least everyone who's holding XRP right now is probably aware that we've had quite a little bit of a pump the last 2 days on XRP. So we are going to dive into the XRP charts today, but also two major articles that could be the catalyst for the pump. But as they say, show me the charts and I will tell you the news. So today's video is going to be really great. We have the XRP charts. We're going to be looking at the weekly, daily, and the 4-hour charts for you guys. We're also going to be taking a look at 2 articles about XRP that are absolutely massive. So don't forget to stay with me till the very end. If you're only here for the news, no problem. Make sure you fast forward to the end. And this is going to be a great video. And hey, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Huggins. I'm a real estate agent here in Orange County, California. And I'm also a crypto and real estate investor. And my job is to help be your crypto shortcut. Because if you're like most people, you don't have the opportunity to spend hours a day reading through articles, going through headlines, reading through the charts, and watching YouTube videos. Well, that is what I do. And I bring that news to you in a condensed manner. So if you're looking for a crypto shortcut, smash that subscribe button. All right, so here we are on the daily chart. So today up 5%. If we hover over yesterday's candle, let me get this out of the way. Yesterday's candle was a 8.84% move. Today 5%. So, 9 and 5, 14% move in the last 2 days, which is a really, really nice move. Now we have run into a little bit of a stopping point here. So let's go ahead and do some charting and find out what's going on. How real is the pump? As you can see, we do have a double bottom formed here. In fact, let's go ahead and do our indicator. We'll use the Lux Algo Premium. Where is it? Right here, and we're looking for patterns. Here we go. Let's see here. So right now, nothing detected on the weekly chart there. There is an order block forming. Let's look at the daily patterns. Nothing here on the daily patterns. Looking here on the 4-hour. Nothing here on the 4-hour. Or inverse head and shoulders here. So that could be causing the pump. It did break the neckline, and there could very likely be a move coming from that. All right, so that's just what I wanted to check first and foremost. But let's go to the weekly charts, and let's go ahead and chart this bad boy out. We're going to jump over here first and foremost to the Heikin-Ashi candles to help us get an idea of where we're going. Supply and demand zones. So our weekly supply and demand zone first stop will be this guy here. And with it being a weekly, we're making this one white. There we go. That's our first stop top side. Now we are going to be running into a lot of this interference zone here. In fact, let's go ahead and mark the bottom of this candle here, because that will be some interference, right? So we have to get all the way through that. But right here, this is the candle. This is the one that we want to get to. Let's see. We're now going to take our Fibonacci from our most lowest point here up to that point of that box for supply and demand, which will show us our Fibonacci potential movement here. Now, as you can see, the price has run up to the 786 in the past once, twice, 3, 4 times. We're not quite there on this current time. This would be the 5th time. We're going to go ahead and mark that as the resistance line right there. All right, so that is basically our extreme resistance that we must bust above. And then, of course, we will also go ahead and mark the last final tippity top candle there as well. All right, so now we can get rid of the Fibonacci. So we know what to look for on the way up, but these are our key element points that we must break to the upside on this large time frame, and that would mean some serious potential moves coming. And like I said, we do have 2 articles we're covering today on XRP. We're going to cover even more headlines. There's 2 articles that I want to cover with you guys that is significant. As you can probably tell, if you guys are in the XRP community, XRP Army, you've probably noticed your friends are starting to They're starting to whisper things in your ears, really exciting things, right? We have not hit the breakup point yet. So we don't know. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this information is financial advice. Do not buy or sell anything because we talk about on the channel. But some cool things to take a look at here. We do now have 2 weeks in a row of green candles on the weekly for XRP. Very positive. We have 1 day, 2 hours left. Now, what you will notice, though, the first green candle was a doji candle, and the second green candle is kind of a weak candle. There is not a powerful Heikin-Ashi candle. What I mean by that, if you take a look at a power candle, there's no top wick on these downward candles. There's a top and bottom wick on this upward candle. Like this candle right here, that was a powerful up move candle. There was no bottom wick. So when it comes to Heikin-Ashi, if you're going up, you don't want a bottom. If you're going down, you don't want a top wick. So right now, we're kind of in that limbo where we could be taking off, but at the same time, we have a little bit of an issue, right? There's no real rocket ship lit up under it right now. So the next thing we're gonna do is drop to a smaller, oh wait, let's go back here, sorry. And let's get our smallest time frame weekly chart here as well. Okay, so that is our weekly bottom side. So now we have our weekly bottom side, which this top of this bottom right here should act as a support from now on. If we gain actual support there, then we have a couple more ladders to climb for real level support, and then we can move here. So now we drop to the dailies here. All right, so as you can see on the dailies, we have all of this chop zone because it switches red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, all through here. When we break right here, boom, right? That's our level that we talked about. But on the weekly level, this doesn't show up, all this chop right here. So we will even have another potential interference zone right here. All right. But hey, it does not matter, right? We're talking about, come on, baby, XRP. Let's light those rockets on fire. And when we get into this article, the main article, there's 2 really good ones, but one talks about what's going on right now. So after that, though, on the dailies, we have our move to the upside because all we have to do is break these levels and then look at what happens. We get to our next level up here on daily candles. Our daily box, we go yellow. That's our last green candle before the down move, giving us that supply and demand level, and that be getting us up to 57 cents. Now, the other thing, by the way, like some of my friends in the XRP community, by the way, I actually run a XRP community. That's why I'm saying like the community and the words and so on and so forth. It's called Ripple Network XRP on Facebook. If you guys want to come join that, it's a group. It's a really great group. I post some stuff in there all the time. But this right now, the behind the scenes, the moderators, the people that are like really deep into this, that study this nonstop all day, they're freaking out about what is going on as far as positivity of what's up with XRP. Now, in that group, there's some talks of, $1,000 XRP. Some people thinking it's going to be $35,000 a coin. That just makes me have to drink a Red Bull. You know what I mean? Like that fires me up. I cannot wait. So just think, you have 1,000 coins. Let's say you have 1,000 XRP. 1,000 XRP right now at 37 cents. 1,000 times 0.37. That would be 370 coins. So, or $370, sorry. But let's say that we have 1,000 coins at $35,000. Now, this may not be realistic, but it's fun to dream. You know what I'm saying? How about $35 million? And that's just with 1,000, right? What if we had 10,000? Add another zero. Oh, man. So exciting stuff, and there's people that I know that have hundreds of thousands of XRP coins. So it's exciting, the potential, what could happen. But we're in the charts right now. We're looking to see what could happen with us right now. What's going on? Well, let's take a look. So as we move our way up here, we have now broken outside of the weekly supply and demand candle down here, which is good. We want to turn that into a support. That would be fantastic. What I'm looking for now, we're on the daily charts, is this would be, so as the bottom happened, we had this little move upward, right? This obviously the peak candle here, and this one being the last green candle before the start of the dump. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this candle here And we're going to turn the magnet off because I need to do this bottom to that top. And that's what we're going to use as the daily supply and demand zone. Okay. So this is our new daily supply and demand zone that should help us with all of this down here, breaking there, coming to support. That would clear us out of all this. So we still have, I mean, this is exciting. Don't get me wrong, but there's still more. There's a lot of interference right now that has to be broken through. Bullish momentum could be happening. We do see here on the daily RSI, we are moving up. We are above the baseline. We're above the 50, all bullish signs. And we have not even busted through the volatility band or the Bollinger Band down here. So there's still room to, because look, every time we get to the Bollinger Band, bounces off, right? So at the bottom, the opposite is true. Sometimes it'll poke through, but it typically bounces off. At the top, it bounces off. We haven't reached the top. So there's still more room to the upside here, which is really, really nice on the dailies. Does that mean it's happening today or tomorrow? No, but could it? Yes, it really could. We have 1 hour and 25 minutes left in this daily candle. So tomorrow's daily candle could likely be a continuation candle, getting us above this. Then we have this, and this is a problem, as we were just talking about. So our next problem gives us this level to this level here, and that would be something else we need to clear. So all of this is important to clear it all. So basically, and you probably heard this in the XRP community, that 45-cent level, we break 45 cents and we could be off to the races, right? So that's what we're looking for on over the next couple of days, where we're going to the upside. And then if we break all of this and we start to claim it as a support, then and only then can we start talking about the next level. So it needs to be support. Then we can start talking about the move there. So we have those. All right. Now let's go ahead and break it down even more though. So we're going to go ahead and remove all of that. We do know that we need to be right here above this 45-cent level. Let's turn that on and do this again. We need to be here. And it's actually 45.009. Like it's that exact on. So, and that's another thing too. Because XRP could potentially be like the banker coin or the basically the currency coin of the entire world for transactions. Bankers, when you deal with like Forex and other currencies, they're not dealing with random numbers, right? They're going to be dealing at the 45-cent level. They were probably dealing at the 33-cent level. Like when it got to 33 cents. In fact, let's just do the line down here somewhere, and then we'll color it in. Not that line. We want the horizontal line here. And then let's take it to the settings and let's put it on 33 cents. Coordinates, 33 cents, 0.33. All right, now it moved there. So as you can see, that 33 cents was a resistance, support. And so, and by the way, if any of you conspiracy theorists in the audience know anything about the number 33 and how important that is, look at this and look at how often it was just chilling at 33 cents over this last little bit. And even if you go into history, and we didn't look back here, look at history and look at how it likes to hang out around 33 cents, right? So boom, support level, hopefully, and not going back. The next level though, 45.009, but it's really 45 cents. After we break above that, then we can head there. All right, but let's have some fun and let's see some smaller time frame stuff. Can we see ourselves moving up any higher? Why are we kind of like, if we do the candles here, we're kind of stalling right here. You see this? Kind of stalling. So boom, wick down, boom, wick down. It's charging again here. If we take a look, we're at the overbought territory. Overbought. We're outside the Bollinger Band and we're above 70. Starting to curl down. That does not mean it's going to come down. We do also have, let's go ahead and show my favorite indicator here that I like to show when it talks about where price could be going. We have the fair value gaps. So as you can see here, we had a fair value gap. Look, it got filled. Boom, right? All these fair value gaps filled. This little one, tiny one down here did not get filled. But look at what it left on this pump. It left all of these fair value gaps in its wake. So we talked about Ethereum yesterday, and look at the fair value gaps to the upside, right? And then we talked about Bitcoin as well. Look at the fair value gaps to the upside. There's really, really good things to the upside for those. And going to XRP, with the pump we just had, it's the opposite. So we have a little bit of a negative fair value gaps to fill. And that has been the case with Ethereum and Bitcoin and Shiba Inu as well. They all had that major pump. They all came back down, cleared out their fair value gaps, and made their way back to the upside. So I'm just pointing that out because I know a lot of people are starting to count their eggs before the chickens hatched, or count their chickens before the eggs hatched, however you want to say that. But let's say that this is our new swing low here, and then this is our new swing high, and we draw it sideways. Look where price could be coming back to. The 786 is a likely target, and then we turn fair value gaps back on, and look exactly where that, and this is not a coincidence here. And I could be wrong. As I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but for those of you guys that are freaking out, oh no, I missed the move, XRP's gone, I'm FOMOing in, I'm buying here no matter what, even though it's probably close to the top, even though it's not the top because the daily has a little bit more move to go, probably. It is about to hit outside of the Bollinger Band there. But let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly has so much more upside. But remember, those time frames, they take a very, very long time. The weekly moves can take very long. Look at this, 3 weeks to get to this point. That's 21 days, right? So if we look at this, this is only 2 days. We can fit 21 of them in a weekly candle. And then we go to the 4-hour candle. There's 8 of these in a daily candle, right? So it could likely come back, tap that, boom, clear out all those fair value gaps, get to the golden pocket, the 786, and then continue its way up and move on to the next level. That is all possible. Now, depending on the news that comes out, obviously the SEC case, we're not talking about that. It's not what the article is about here today. We're talking about something completely different. So let's talk about it. Ripple price soars nearly 10% after unknown whale purchased $500 million worth of XRP. Now, that's not some ordinary person, right? Who the heck is buying $500 million worth of XRP? What do they know that we do not know? That is the real question. XRPs rally while other top value coins plummet. Ripple XRP has surprised many investors over the past 24 hours as the asset class records the largest gain among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. XRP is up 8% in the last 24 hours after it was reported that an unknown whale purchased a whopping $500 million worth of XRP yesterday. The development was shared by CryptoVinco, a cryptocurrency data provider that covers market updates about top cryptos, especially Ripple. Following the massive purchase, XRP soared up 24-hour low of 32 cents to 35.7 cents. Although XRP has slightly dipped and is currently changing hands at about 34 cents, the digital currency still remains the best performing cryptocurrency among the top 10 largest cryptos. And since that article was written, it continued to pump, right? Because it started having this little pullback, which all cryptos do. Pump, nothing moves up in a straight line, so pump, come down, go up, right? According to CryptoVinco, XRP appears to be decoupling from the entire crypto market as the asset's price is up while others continue to decline. And we have not seen that. We've seen it kind of decouple in the fact that all the other cryptos were moving up while XRP was sitting still at 33 cents. So is this a possibility where the people who were in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu, and all those other coins have taken some profit, because we know that the prices have started coming down on those, and transferred them over to XRP? Like, a lot of people are sucking all of their money out of the total value locked of ETH now that the merge is official, and they might be shopping for other coins. So XRP seems to be decoupling from the rest of the crypto markets. A mega whale purchased over 500 million with XRP yesterday, while other coins tanked. Do they know something that we don't? And here is CryptoVinco's tweet. XRP seems to be decoupling from the rest of the crypto markets. A mega whale purchased over $500 million of XRP yesterday, while other coins tanked. Do they know something we don't? We can see XRP mooning, BTC just trading sideways, and then ETH had obviously its significant drop. By the way, if you are on Twitter and you're not following these crypto Twitter accounts, you definitely need to be doing that. And the number one most important Twitter follow you got to be following is the Bull Runners Club. Obviously, you better be following us. And you can go right here and click. Well, before you do that, make sure you click the follow button. Make sure you click the bell button so you can get the notifications. And by the way, next week is the most exciting week. This one was from August 13th, but now we have a new one that just came out yesterday. This one, Pimpin' Ain't Easy. Look at our Pimp Juice right here, our Pimp Juice Bull. It's going to be one of our Bull Runner NFTs. Our token launches that we're coming out with in the future are going to be absolutely nuts. You're not going to want to miss it. And how can you be involved? It's very easy. We're doing another $100 giveaway. By the way, that's correct. You can win $100 this simple, like this post. Comment below, retweet and follow Bull Runners Club. Winners will be announced on bullrunners.com. Congrats to Julie25183 for winning the $100 the last giveaway. So that's really cool. We're even giving proof of who won so they can claim it. Boom, let's like it. Boom, let's retweet it. Boom, let's comment 777. I wanted to do this live. I saw this last night, but I was like, I'll wait for my next video so you guys can see it. But definitely come on over here, check it out. And speaking of, go to bullrunners.com. Any information that you need, if you want to be up to date with the most accurate crypto info, obviously watching the YouTube, but make sure you get on our email and text list as well. Get on the Run Guys VIP list to join their brand new launch and earn a full-time passive income online with crypto. No previous online marketing experience. Then you click yes, give me instant access. You're going to get this form right here. This is, boom, the landing page. All right, you're going to put in your best email address. Now, some of you guys out there got really mixed up because you gave us your spam email instead of your most proper email, and you missed out on the whitelist, and now you got dropped in line, right? That was your fault. Unfortunately, I get it because I have a spam email I give out, but this is a real deal business opportunity. This is linking arms with Bull Runners, like you would link arms with Amazon, like you'd link arms with Walmart as an affiliate. This is your opportunity to link arms with the Bull Runners and get our entire system that is already built out for you. You just have to rebrand the page to you, which we teach you how to do. So we will email you the details, double check for accuracy. Make sure you use your real legit email address. Then you'll be able to get into the Bull Runners Club. Right now, you can get on the Bull Runners Club whitelist. We do still have a couple of run passes left. We only have 1,000 total, so you're going to need to be on that list. You can get into the Bull Runners Club for $1,000 for the whole entire year. There will be an annual, or that is the annual. There will be a monthly subscription later, which will obviously cost more. So you want to get in as soon as possible before those prices go up. So go to bullrunnersclub.com, join that, link arms with us, and continue moving forward. Learn how to make passive income online for sure. All right, and the next one that I wanted to cover with you, this one is important to me personally. That's why I brought this one out. It's a little bit older. I was doing some research. I found it. Oh, also, by the way, that $500 million purchase, the article I was searching for, another third article is going to be like a bonus article for you. There's been a lot of speculation that it was Jeff Bezos and the Amazon team that potentially was the ones making the $500 million purchase, because Amazon has already come out and said that Amazon will be using XRP in the future. So here, let me actually show you that. First and foremost, we got to point out the fact also that Amazon Web Services partner profile is Ripple. So RippleNet is using Amazon Web Services, just like the Bull Runners, and our club is using Amazon Web Services. So again, this has been in the talks for years and years and years, but because of the case potentially coming to an end, the flip potentially being made soon. But you can see this article even from 2018, Ripple's XRP includes a potential Amazon partnership and $2 million investments in Texas University's blockchain. High chances Ripple teams up with Amazon all the way back in 2018. So there's been talks. When you're making big, mega deals like this, it takes years. So did it finally go through? It's also speculation, but we'll find out. But as a realtor, and this is really important, Colombia, the country, enlists Ripple Labs to put land deeds on the blockchain. So using XRP Ledger, Colombian leaders can make real estate transactions more equitable. Colombia's government has launched a partnership with Ripple Labs, the company behind cryptocurrency XRP, to put land titles on the blockchain. Part of a plan to rectify land distribution efforts so unfair they've led to decades of armed conflict. The project, built by blockchain development company Persist Technology and Ripple, will permanently store and authenticate property titles on XRP Ledger, Ripple's public blockchain. This will help eliminate bureaucracy and hopefully make land distribution more equal, Ripple Labs and Persist Technology told Decrypt. And also remember, in the future, there's already been talks that real estate transactions, the deeds, the contracts, will be done as in the form of NFTs. And we do also know that Ripple and XRP is coming out with NFTs on their ledger. Right now, they're having some issues and they're trying to work out all of that, but this is a big major deal. Colombia's civil war, the longest running war in the Western Hemisphere from 1964 until 2016 peace deal, was rooted in unequal distribution of land, with leftist guerrilla groups taking up arms against the state. Land is everything in Colombia. This is what led to the armed groups like the FARC starting a war with the government. And Ripple X is this tweeted out about Persist Technology, excited to share that we just put into production the first version of the National Land Registry together with Agencia Tierras and the support of Ripple to register the first adjudication resolution in Colombia on XRP Ledger. Search by its number 11774 on the link, the website there. That was back in July of 2022.
What's even more rewarding is being involved with a community of awesome entrepreneurs, badass entrepreneurs running real legacy-driven, multi-million-dollar, and even striving to become billion-dollar software companies that are inspired to make a real impact on this planet. We were sick and tired, guys, of losing our hard-earned money in rug pull scams, downright bad business models over the past decade. So we said, F it, we're going to build the best all-in-one online business app the industry has ever seen. And after years, nearly a decade, actually over a decade of trial and error, nearly a decade of just like failure, making money, losing money, investing over $15 million into countless software development teams and products the past decade, we truly believe we have created the best online business app you will ever see. And we don't want to be the ones to just tell you that. We want you to be the judge and leverage it. So welcome to the Bull Runners Club. Click the button right here, get on the whitelist, watch this video, go through all of the utility, scroll through this page, guys. You're gonna see how you can customize your own website. Right here, it's mobile friendly. You can create your private memberships. You can modify everything with hundreds of different templates. It's drag and drop. You can do split testing, build your own sales funnel, just like we have done with our list to build our email list. Every big business and every small business as well too needs to have an email list. Sell any product at any time if you want. You can connect your merchants. We take 0 fees. So you can do one-click upsells, for all this stuff that you're getting access to, guys, for only $1,000. Compare this to the competition, and we are hands down the best. Drag and drop email autoresponder. Our delivery rates are insanely high, higher than anything else that I have personally ever used. I was using GetResponse, I used MailChimp, I've used Aweber, and nothing matches our deliverability rate. So you can start impressing your prospects, your leads with automated emails. Yes, I said automated emails where you can set it and forget it. When you write an email and you drip sequence it based on the automations using our intelligent and dynamic software, then you can have emails go out every day for your leads and your prospects. Now, if you don't know how to generate leads and you're wondering what is a lead is someone that is interested in a product or service. And for those of you that are like, well, I don't have a product or service, you can leverage ours, become an affiliate, which I'm going to explain in a little bit. But I want to scroll through this and show you how to create passive income with the products alone, because a lot of people launch just affiliate offers and they're like, it's just an affiliate offer. There's really nothing to it other than recorded video trainings that are easy to rip off and duplicate. Anyone can record a video training and sell it on Teachable or sell it on Kajabi and call it a product. I think that is a very washed out, played out industry, not necessarily like bad by any means, but it's easy to get into. It's easy to pretend like you know what you're doing, and it's easy to create a product in that industry because all you have to do, pop up on camera, record some videos, and sell it for $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. The price that people are selling this stuff for is nonsense. But to create a product like this takes millions of dollars of development that is not easily duplicatable. And that the reason why we say it's not easily duplicatable is the reason why we did it, because we know that we can give it to you for a price point of only $1,000 per year, and you can get access to this and build a real business that would normally cost you, over $100,000 to even start and get your foot in the door, guys. Just to get your foot in the door, to develop an app and to develop a software, you're starting with 100 grand. You're going to have a lot of problems with that. You're going to have something really basic if you're in the development space. You know that what we got with all this stuff with our e-commerce stores, plugins, you can sell any product you want, connect to all the top payment processors, Stripe, PayPal, MobilePay, PayPass, Paystack, Authorize.net, among many others, and customize all of your checkouts for anything that you want for your clothing company, for your dog walking business, for your t-shirt company. Maybe you have a hair salon and you want to figure this out. If you don't have a product, like I said, leverage ours. If you just have a membership service, get rid of your Teachable, guys. Leverage ours and earn recurring payments that will generate you passive income, because membership areas are a breeze with us. You can create subscriptions. You can engage with your customers through the CRM. You can tag them based on their checkout processes and what they go through. And yes, it gets even more. Like, this is just the scratching the surface, guys. There's way more on the back end. This scratches the surface. I just don't want to overwhelm you, but at the same time, I want to show you the functionality of stuff based on what are actual screenshots from our back end. These are not screenshots from Google. This is actually what's in our back end right here. And so you can create custom properties based on everything that you want when you fill out. So what we did when you go to runpass.com. So for example, if I go to runpass.com, our entire infrastructure here, our entire website, our entire form builder, this was all built on our platform. So we're not using other stuff to sell you a product. We're using our own product, and you're getting involved with the club right now when you get access to the whitelist. Now, you can recommend our products, earn commissions by being a part of the Bull Runners Club affiliate program, which is coming out soon. And for those of you that are a part of the first 1,000, you guys are going to be our first beta testers, the best testers in the system as a part of the first 1,000. You're going to mint a Run Pass. You're going to be able to mint a Bull Runner NFT coming up in November as well too. So before September 10th, it's really important. Before October 1st is really important. And we have the best referral program for crypto investors, for thought leaders, entrepreneurs, people that want to start a business and monetize their traffic, because the Bull Runners Club referral program helps all these types of people: content creators, business owners, thought leaders. And with our NFTs and software available inside the club, affiliates use passive income producing websites, funnels, and tools to direct their audience to our products and earn from qualifying purchases and packages. So step one, sign up. Join the Bull Runners Club by purchasing your membership package after you get on the whitelist. So you have to fill out the form and you have to be approved first to join the club, okay? You can't just buy right now. You have to go through the application, because we want to make sure we let in the right people as a part of the first 1,000 people. We don't want anyone and everyone. Like I said, I don't want complainers. I don't want people that think this is a soup kitchen and everything is a free handout on this planet. Yes, it does cost money. If you don't like spending money, scared money doesn't make money. The amount of money we have spent to put this together for you guys, you can't be scared of $1,000. I'm not scared of millions of dollars. I've lost millions of dollars. The key to becoming a multimillionaire or even a billionaire is to not be afraid of losing more money than someone has ever even made. Get excited about paying more taxes than someone's annual income, right? Even though taxing is criminal, I'm not going to get into that, but get excited about, to make more, you sometimes have to spend more, because every dollar that you spend helps you learn a new lesson and helps you gain a new skill to develop, different businesses and different things that you want. So not to get on a rant of that, step one, sign up, get on the whitelist, runpass.com. Step two, recommend, share your affiliate link with 2 simple clicks from inside your dynamic affiliate portal when we open the doors and allow you to become an affiliate in the back end. Number 3, earn. You will earn $250 for every $1,000 customer per year, guys, in passive income every single year, like clockwork, as long as they stay active on their subscription, just like they would stay active on a subscription for Amazon Prime, just like they would stay active on a subscription for Netflix, just like they would stay active on a subscription for like the Costco annual membership, guys. Except for us, our subscription is for products that will help you build businesses like theirs, rather than just watch and numb yourself with movies on Netflix all day long that don't help you make any money. So the most successful people on the planet, they don't go on Netflix benders and watch, all 8 seasons or however many seasons of Game of Thrones and just sit there all day long watching that. What they're doing is they're building infrastructures like Netflix has, and they're creating their own membership platforms using the same infrastructure that we're housed on. The CIA spent $10 billion to house all their records on, Amazon Web Services, Amazon Cloud, guys. So that's what we're leveraging. That's what you get. So we're going to pay you 25% in affiliate commissions recurring from qualifying purchases and products. And yes, There will be other stuff that will allow you guys to earn more. So if you want to earn up to $5,000 per customer, stay tuned, because you can share products and available programs inside the Bull Runners Club that we're going to have for life as long as you are in the club, you're an active member with your audience using our passive income producing funnels, websites, and earn money on all qualifying packages. And so join our tribe, check out the commonly asked questions below. We have a lot more utility dropping as well too coming up. The announcements on the treasure map, all you gotta do, click treasure map, it'll pop up. You can read the important dates right there. Get on the whitelist, click that right now. That's what you need to know before they start going for even more than what the floor price is right now, guys. So you can also go to bullrunners.com. What I recommend doing is this real quick. So go to bullrunners.com, get on the email list, and this is the VIP email list that you guys can subscribe to, and you can fill out this form in this VIP list right here. You guys will be updated first for any new updates, any new stuff. We always email our list first and our text list. Those are the people that are getting in the doors right now. And so while you're watching this video, the doors are filling up for the first 1,000 customers. And this is going to move quick because this video now is pushed out on YouTube. You know, we texted our list first. We emailed you guys first. We posted in our Discord. Then we're posting on Twitter and Telegram. And now we're going public to the YouTube. So to the YouTubes. Yes, to the interwebs. We're out there on this freaking spider web of the interweb, guys. And so this video right here is going to be watched by, I don't know, man, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 people over the course of, you know, a few days, let alone the next few months. We're coming out with 5 to 6 videos a day that get anywhere from 2,000 to 20,000 views a video, sometimes more than that. So, I mean, do the math. You know what I mean? I'm excited to help you guys out. I'm blessed. I'm grateful to be working with you guys. You know what I'm doing? I'm backing up my truck all the way to the bank. I'm grabbing the bags, packing them and stacking them, leaving no bags left behind, because the money in the bank isn't making me any money. I'm putting my money to work for me because fiat's going down. NFTs, cryptocurrencies over time are going to go up once this bear market reverses around to a bull market, guys, and we start to see, you know, projects like Shiba Inu, projects like Bitcoin start to see billions of dollars flow into their market cap. What do you think is going to happen to the projects that have a lower max supply, that have lower market cap, that have strong utility like ours, and that are merging the Web 2 and the Web 3 space together to create a hybrid business model like ours? Lots of them are going to go up in value, and we are excited to ensure, with no guarantees, but we're going to do everything in our power to make this project as successfully as possible with you. So I will see you on the next video. I will see you on bullrunners.com as we go camping on the beaches of the moon together. As always, stay bullish.